You are welcome to this new episode, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable low data mode on iPhone. What does low data mode does on your iPhone and what are the importance? With low data mode on your iPhone will pause background refresh and automatic updates until the low data mode is disabled. Now, to enable low data mode on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, click on mobile service or cellular data. So this depends on your iPhone. Then click on that. Once you click on that, just click on mobile data options. Whether you enable or disable mobile data, just click on mobile data options. And once you click on that, click on data mode. There are three options available under data mode: allow more data on 5G, standard, and low data mode. While you're on low data mode, your iPhone will stop your iPhone from automatic updates and any background task. Now go ahead and choose low data mode. Then that is it. Your iPhone data mode will be enabled and all background tasks and automatic updates will be disabled on your iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.